Well, good morning. I'm going to take you out into a part of the field that you saw in a previous video early in the spring when I was driving down the corn stalks with the tractor getting ready to work up the field to plant corn. So I'm going to pull into a row here pretty soon. This was roughly in the area where I was driving over the corn stalks to get it ready to work up the field, and at that time the intention was to plant my granddaughter's watermelons. However, we had a change of plan and decided to plant sweet corn in this spot. So this is where we're at with this. Today it's the 4th of July. 4th of July, 2024. And as you can see through that opening in the tree line there, you can go back to that video where I was driving down the sweet corn stalks from last year. And you can see I'm roughly at the same position now, and we're looking at corn here. This is actually our second planting. I made a mistake on another video telling you that the other field was the second. That's actually the third. So this field is coming on quite nice now. There are 3 different varieties here. One is the peaches and cream, and there are 2 smaller patches here which are solid yellow for people who want to freeze corn or just happen to like that variety. So that's what we're doing here. I'm just going to drive down the row a little bit so you can see the bit of the corn, and then I'm going to move over to the first planting because it's July 4th. So when I was growing up on the farm, everybody said, well, your corn needs to be knee-high by the 4th or it's not going to be ready. Well, I guess it depends on whose knee you're measuring it to. But anyway, we'll take a little ride here. Thanks for joining me. This corn is, for my consideration, given the battle we've had all spring with water, difficulty getting on the field, I think the corn looks very healthy. There's a good population. It seems to be growing, and I just noticed the weather this morning for our area of the world. This coming week, it's looking as though we're going to start to get some heat, which will bring this corn on very rapidly because we have a great moisture base now. So that shouldn't be an issue in the short term, at least. And so this is pretty cool. I'm just going to stop the video here, and then I'll join you in the other section.